Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Facetv Woefully.
Wọ́n send fídíò kan sí mi láàárọ̀ nípa àǹtí kan tó ní Yoruba nation has come and failed woefully. Is that true? Àǹtí, ojoojúmọ́ tí mo bá ń wò yìí, mo máa ń wò pé with your beauty and well outspoken, unlike illiterate bíi tèmi, mo believe pé kẹ́ wà ní post tó jiná ní Nigeria yẹn. Tí wọ́n pé Nigeria is working, tí wọ́n render education yín useless. Ó yẹ kẹ́ wà níbi kan tó bá ga ni. Ẹjọ́ mo fọ́nà bá bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ fèsì Bobrisky àti K1 the ultimate. Ẹ fi Yoruba nation agitator sílẹ̀. Mainly àwọn tó wà abroad, because when we will say something, àwọn tó wà abroad yẹn, àwọn tó ṣe kíní kan wà abroad yẹn, ṣé wọ́n ràn yín sí wa ni? But I will not blame you so much. Now I can say the reason why you are against Yoruba nation agitation. Fine. You are suffering and smiling, as well as spoken and educated as you are. If everybody will come out and speak against Yoruba nation agitation, anybody then to Okpolo is not about ìwé nìkan, ìwé ọ̀tọ̀, ọpọlọ ọ̀tọ̀. Kí ló tẹ̀ ń bá wa ta diaspora? Ṣé ilé easy lásàkó ńlẹ̀ ni? And I know for sure, if you are opportune to run away from Nigeria, you call us violent. Are we violent? You are referring to that king. Ṣé nígbà tí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ agitation yìí, tí Igboho Sunday Igboho bẹ̀rẹ̀ agitation yìí, gbogbo tá ṣe ṣe rally káàkiri, ǹjẹ́ wọ́n pààyàn níbẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ̀rí àwọn rally tàṣe ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? You're talking about fouling. And see, education is not about everything. Maybe and to our well-educated, non-educated person, don't control you. Because I'm not surprised. If I say you surprise me, I don't want to play your video because playing your video will make you relevant. I don't want to play your video because now I know why you're against Yoruba nation agitation. You said it. Buhari is calling the youth, listen Nigerian youth. And you said you support Yoruba and Buhari calling Nigerian youth, listen Nigerian youth. Are the Nigerian youth, are they lazy? Factory mélòó na àwọn olóṣèlú Nigeria kan tí àwọn youth kọ tán láwọn ní ṣiṣẹ́ ńbẹ̀. Àwọn tó tán iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ doctors tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́, wọn ò sanwó fún wọn, wọn ò sanwó fún teachers. And you said you supported Buhari calling Nigeria, listen Nigeria youth. They want us to see church. Teacher Bawa. Nigerian youth are not listening. One man to see church, one man to see Mashalashi. Auntie, think of it, please. Call yourself to order. Ambassador of god-fatherism. Yes. You are an ambassador of god-fatherism. Any of Nigerian youth, they are lazy. Political party will not dakale. You not madakale. Loju ababa yen. Shoju no le wo ma won. Shoju ababa yen not mada political parties tí wọ́n sílẹ̀. It is show we so wọ́n dá sílẹ̀. Tí wọ́n mú show re ni. They get him arrested. You said a political youth, you are youth, and you said, you know why I call you ambassador of god-fatherism? You said you can introduce them to political godfathers, either of the party, either APC or PDP. You can introduce them to any political father of their choice. Now I know why you are against Yoruba nation agitation. Political fatherism, ambassador of political godfatherism. Àwọn tí àkàwé àkà ọpọlọ. Ǹjẹ́ ti gbọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé ní Sanfara nísìn government ti order pé kí wọ́n shut down internet. Yes. Torí bandits. Auntie, did you say anything about that? This thing is coming down to Southwest. For government, that's why we can shut down our internet. And the government are there deploying their military to southeast kí wọ́n lọ pa ọmọ Igbo níbi tí wọ́n ti ń pa àwọn ilẹ̀ ní tó ti pa àwọn nílẹ̀ Haúsá ibi tí wọ́n bí tí bandits wà. They are committing genocide. Genocide is being going on in Igbo states, the Biafran states. They are killing their youth on daily basis until you said nothing about it. They kidnap ní ìlú tí ní ọkọ̀ tó jẹ́ Èkìtì. Wọ́n kidnap títí tí wọ́n tó kidnap olóyún. You did nothing about it. You don't come out and say, Banjare o, wọ́n ti pa yàn ní ìlú yín, because you are an ambassador of god-fatherism. Ambassador of political god-fatherism, for goodness sake. My sister, education you are useful. I don't want to come out for you, but stop coming out for Yoruba nation and mentioning I want to diaspora. If you are opportune, if you see the opportunity to come down here, I trust you. Tomorrow down for no man, I know you will come. Please and please keep yourself to yourself. Tebari show and not soon. Talk about important. I don't come out. But you are spoken. Take going, but take can take anyway. But I don't want anybody to distract me with any comments. And so anything about anybody, but not Yoruba Nation agitation. You said Yoruba Nation agitation has come and failed woefully. Are you serious? Like seriously? Come to UN. You will know. Sunday Igboho, Chief Oloye Sunday Igboho, the Messiah of Yoruba land, has said. He said you can only kill the messenger, but you cannot kill the message. Better still, you can never kill the messenger. You cannot kill Sunday Igboho and not keep a violence. See how my baby and color what's in it. Share a be on my command binu and sit on my down at the early stage. What the baby to make a boom and sit down for me and kilo fair, kilo beer, kilo fair, Uncle by no fair, my meant. Or moyen, the back to what goes in binu, and my yogi a man honey. 6 years, 7 years back, she had complained that. Okay, apostle, obviously complain. Sunday Igboho jáde ó pariwo. Yoruba Nation agitators and bota and pariwo. Kò sí nǹkan tó kan ìjọba Buhari àtàwọn olóṣèlú ten pariwo fún wọn Nigeria ten pariwo fún láti pé ẹ wá ẹjẹ dialogue pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́? Kí at the early stage. Kò tó pé kí ni ma escalate. Bí kò pè wá ẹ̀pọ̀n tó sọ̀rọ̀ gbẹ̀yẹn gbogbo àbáyọ tí máa sọ̀rọ̀. But táwọn èèyàn sọ kí ló fẹ́? Àǹtí ṣe rántí pé àwọn kan jáde wípé wọ́n ṣe lè sọ àwọn ọba fẹ́mi fẹ́ kọ́ restructure Nigeria. Ǹjẹ́ rántí kan tí Buhari sọ ó ní dẹ̀ ó náà tó ń béèrè fún restructuring ó ní wọ́n mọ kan tí wọ́n fẹ́ àǹtí tó ń campaign fún godfatherism. So that means the youth have no life in Nigeria. Àwọn youth ò ní life in Nigeria. That's what you are saying. Because you're saying you're going to introduce them to their political godfatherism. You have godfathers who introduce them fún ọ̀rẹ́ òjàmílẹ̀ ẹnu mọ́. Kò dùn mí fún ẹ mọ́. Kò dùn mí fún ẹ mọ́. Popularity ló ń wá. Contract ló ń wá. Jọ Facebook Bobrisky àti K1 the ultimate fi Yoruba Nation agitation sílẹ̀. Kí ni problem tó ní pẹ̀lú Yoruba Nation agitation? Àwọn tó wà ní diaspora, àwọn tó wà ní diaspora, àwọn tó wà ní diaspora ńkọ́. Àwọn diaspora kíní kan Yoruba Nation. If Yoruba Nation, can't you just find another topic? That is street. Because mo mọ̀ kó kàwé. Unlike àwọn tá kàwé. Tó bá kàwé ló sense pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ náà. If you are learned, you have to apply your senses to it. So that every time you come out from Yoruba Nation, you start. Now, I am not surprised. I am not surprised. You preach what you have today by saying the youth should go and form political party, but you forgot to well form a political party and one arrested. You said we have the Yoruba Nation agitators, they are violent. But it will not happen. Instead, they went to Sunday Igboho. They killed 2 people, arrested or kidnapped, because I will not say arrested, kidnapped 12 human beings and a cat. An animal, an innocent animal, for goodness sake. To ban animal, to an cat maybe, to go lobo maybe, what pet say, oh, you creative. And you saying nothing about it than to come and say, oh, violence, and you want to kidnap your man in Nigerian, in Jabota Kesawoni Pie. wọ́n kidnap ti sọ tún kidnap olóyún ǹjẹ́ sọ anything nípa ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí kò tẹ́ máa ṣe mọ́ ilé wá bí jókòó sí. Don't come for Yoruba nation agitation. Agitate us again. Ego, auntie, any soon. I don't want Yoruba nation. I think it's a fracas. I don't want to enter fracas because of you. But whenever you come out for Yoruba nation agitators, whenever you abuse us, I will come out for you. I will give you your answer. Whenever there's, I will follow it. The time I said, can you see me, feel it, see me, pay, or to be Yoruba nation agitators, I will come out for you. Me ni fi ara bue, but I will just pick one or two things from what you are saying. Buhari derive pleasure in Boko Haram killing the youth, kidnapping the youth. Auntie, I want godfathers in, our political godfathers in, tí campaign fún, tell can want you to work and introduce wọn sí. Auntie, your men to gbé nílùú yín, kí na political father yẹn ṣe. Àwọn tí wọ́n tí àwọn yẹn náà wà violent ni, àwọn tí wọ́n lọ kidnap nínú ilé ní ìlú yín. Tí àwọn yẹn náà wà violent ni. Auntie, come off it. Come off it. Nigeria is not working and Nigeria cannot work again. We are not violent. You know that. But to your ambassador of god-fatherism, tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ gbà, òun ló ń ṣe yín. Tẹ́ ẹ fi mọ̀ kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ fọ́ tẹ́ fi sọ padà kálá lẹ́nu. Wo lọ sọ́tún, wo lọ sọ́sì, dẹ̀ gbogbo nice bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wo yẹn, wọ́n yẹn ń pa àwọn èèyàn yẹn, wo bẹ́ẹ̀ good bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. For a Yoruba woman, a Yoruba lady to come out and say he supports when Buhari called Nigerian lazy Nigerian youth, that he supported Buhari. Kí ló ṣe yín náà? Ṣé ìwé nìkan náà kọ́ yín ní school ni? Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ṣé ìwé nìkan náà kọ́ yín ní school? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Tó ń tẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ. Kí ló tẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ọ̀la? Auntie, I will have played your video because when I play it, I believe I just want to make you relevant. Because you are irrelevant. Even with your education, education you go relevant. Education you go useful. How dare you say that? But they support Buhari, Opa Nigerian, less Nigerian youth. Excuse me, get that into your score. Nigerian youths are not lazy. They are well determined. You don't bet carry no, ofe carry ni. You don't bet shisheni no, ofe shisheni. Aburo Sowore today. Aburo Sowore little brother was the immediate little brother was murdered today on his way to school. A pharmacy where he was. Oh God. Ṣé mo go pharmacy lo nri di sha. Doctor. He was murdered on his way to school today. So you're not lazy. I'm not because what carry. See one she shed one something. I will not listen. Auntie, you just make me believe that you will auto. Please get your sense back. Any format brain yin fún yín kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé Nigerian youths are not lazy. Èmi tí mo bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ mo ma ozu ní Nigeria mo ṣiṣẹ́ kárakára but ìgbà tí Nigeria fẹ́ waste ìwọ̀n bá agbára tó wà lára mi mo gbọ́ sí ìlú òyìnbó Nigeria ló ń build àwọn doctors ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ níbò mi. Oh my God, and you supported that. You support it. Nigeria build the doctor. If university not jade, show in or government not jade in Nigeria. And share with that dan. Ke yon to omo. Ko to omo yen dagba. Mo ti dagba. O ti wa dige. Ke ni ma fi aje. Ko to omo yen elemi ko da aje omo yen. Àwọn doctors ton kàwé ní Nigeria. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ní Nigeria. Nigeria fún wọn lówó. That's why the fact say most of them ya olowo wọn ní school. Most of them on cash or láti rán wọn ní school. Okay, wọ́n ti di doctors kan ni. Wọ́n ready láti serve ìlú wọn. Wọ́n ready láti ṣe dáadáa sí ìlú wọn. Wọ́n wọlé life wọn ní free education no. Ìyá àti bàbá tó fún wọn ní kíní wọ́n wá pọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fún ọ lówó láti fi pay back ìyá àti bàbá yẹn, and you said you support Buhari. Àǹtí oníwèé, àǹtí education, don't pay àwọn Yoruba nation agitators ní riffraff. Please send my video to her. Don't pay Nigerian agitators, Yoruba nation agitators ní riffraff. Àǹtí oníwèé. Tó bá dáyìn lọ sí school ni wọ́n kidnap àwọn èèyàn, non kidnap àwọn èèyàn, kidnap àwọn èèyàn students sin. Wọ́n jẹ́ kidnap yín ni. Ẹ mọ̀ tá fún àti máa fi abẹ́ yín dá lára. Now tell me, what has Buhari that you supported and all these political godfathers that you supported, what has they done about these students who want kidnap every day? Remember, Showore's brother was a student. So I will use what was his late now. Those children that have been kidnapping here and there in schools, talk about our yacht baba, no one wow, millions of naira. That's a lockdown. After being kept at captivity of the Boko Haram for long days, sometimes months, even years, and nothing has been done about it than for their parents to find money, millions of naira. That's the baby one house. If they were not killed, because most of them lost their life. That instead of you to come out and say something about that, you keep on saying you supported Buhari. You support Buhari because you support Buhari. Buhari said Nigerian youths are lazy. I say come off it.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Woefully.